Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janani. I know I usually have polymer clay tutorials on this channel, but I thought this video is gonna be a really great way to start introducing other tutorials, other videos on this channel. I have always been a crafty person, so I've always done little crafty things. I went to fashion school, so I do sew, I do make little DIY stuff, home projects, but I decided that maybe we can start incorporating that into my channel and maybe bring you guys little crafts that I do in my day-to-day life. And of course, I do plan on making lots more polymer clay tutorials. 2023 is the year that I'm gonna take this channel seriously, because I really enjoy making these videos, and I really enjoy playing around with polymer clay. And yeah, so I've decided to transition, and I thought this video is gonna be a really good gateway to that. Today I'm in my husband's office room with his sneaker collection, because this little guy lives here. My friends at xTool sent me this guy to test out and review for you guys. I'm super excited because I've never done a collaboration like this before, and when they reached out I was screaming because I'm really grateful. I'm not familiar with whole brand sending me stuff to review. I think it's pretty cool because I get to review it and give my honest opinions to you and have fun with it. So xTool sent me this machine. This is a 3-in-1 laser machine. It scores, cut, and engrave stuff, and it is very nice and compact, and I think it is a very beginner-friendly laser machine. It is a 10 watts one. I had so much fun with this machine. Right away I was able to make the cutest little wooden cross for my friend's baby's baptism. I'll put a little picture right here for you to see. So that was really fun, and my husband, who does graphic design work, he was able to quickly, I don't know how, but he did this cute little design for him. I have seen these crosses everywhere, but we were gonna order one, but it takes forever, so we were like, we have a laser machine, why not make one? It was perfect timing. It was so cute, and I was also able to make my brother's daughter a name sign for her new nursery. So I'm super excited. This machine, I always wanted a laser machine, but I did not have the guts. I was too chicken to get one, because I always thought that they're gonna be lots of hard work, lots of learning. Don't get me wrong, there is a little bit of a learning curve with this machine, but I think it is so easy to use for a beginner. You do have to kind of play around with the settings, and of course getting the SVGs. I still don't know how to make SVGs, so I will learn it from my husband, and I'll get there. But you can always buy SVGs, and there are lots of commercial stuff. I think this machine is gonna be a great addition for my small business. I know I haven't done anything with it for the longest time, but I think it's gonna help a lot, because I'm planning on restarting adding some more jewelry, so maybe I can add some wood jewelry, you know. Never know, possibilities are endless. But I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Sorry, I'm not familiar with all the lingo, but we're gonna unbox it together and do a project together. They did send me a rotary attachment, so I'm gonna do a different video with that. It's probably gonna be polymer clay related, so keep an eye out for that. It's gonna probably be the next video or the video after. They also were generous enough to send me some materials to try. I only tried the wood, and we will try some other materials together. Of course, they sent me vinyls good stuff. But so yeah, let's open the package up together and get some projects done. Let's get to the video and see how the process went. Alright, here's me trying to scramble and open up the machine. Like I mentioned before, this is the 10-watt laser and blade cutting machine. It can score, engrave, and cut various materials. I definitely opened this package upside down, but we'll get through that. Totally forgot that we need to have some ventilation and put an exhaust pipe, so I actually set that machine up in my craft room. I had it so perfectly, I had a place for it, but I moved it to my husband's office later on. And here's a manual that I received, and the machine does come with a material package, but they were nice enough to send me the rotary attachment, that's an extra, and some extra materials like a premium package to try. The package does come with everything that you need to get started, and there is blades and cutting mats that are included in it too. I'm pretty sure what the technical lingo is for this, but setting up this exhaust pipe was super easy. There were just few screws that were needed, and I'm mounting mine through the window. I don't know about you guys, but taking off these protective films, super satisfying. I'm going through some of the materials that I received. This package is the one that I originally got with the machine itself. So to name a few, there was some craft paper, there was some plywood, PVC sheets, colored and transparent, there were some sticker paper, vinyls, HTV vinyls, there were wood coasters, stone coasters, wood tags, phone stands, so and so on. There were lots of stuff in this package, the premium material package in there. First project, I decided to go big and use the 3mm basswood. The cool thing about it is once you close the lid, it will take a picture and send it to the Creative Space, the xTool Creative Space software. It is super easy to use. I'll show you in a bit how I work that. Look into the xTool Creative Space software. It was really easy to install to my laptop. When you go to their projects, you can find a lot of beginner friendly projects, and we did try this rocking horse. Unfortunately, when we did that, something messed up and it just cut the pieces that were supposed to be engraved. Although it was a fail, it was a really good learning experience. It only took one pass to cut through the wood. You can see we were super excited, but when we picked it up, it was like everything was falling apart. But that's okay. It was a really good learning project. I was a little bit sad, but it was our first project. You live and you learn, right? So moving on, I decided to engrave this adorable Father's Day design. I also added the triangular prisms to rise the wood up. You can either use the auto measure function or use the drop down menu if you use the xTool material. That way it will be easier, and there will be like pre-decided settings that come on there. I mean, this machine, when it's engraving, it is super mesmerizing to watch. I think more than me, my husband is the one that's super excited to use this machine. Fern Mitch Handmade wouldn't be Fern Mitch Handmade without a pair of earrings. So keeping up with the theme of the upcoming holidays, I wanted to do a Shamrock earring pair. So here I'm just googling a random Shamrock and downloading it. This was a PDF that I downloaded, and I went to Google and converted into a SVG. While I work on this project, I'm gonna let you guys know about the awesome sale that xTool is running. They do have this sale until the 21st of March. And this sale, you can get up to 45% off on all the machines. And all the machines are gonna come with a mystery material box. And also, they do have this really cool feature where you can buy now and pay later with 0% APR, and you can go up to 18 months on the installments. So if you're interested in, please do check out. I will leave all the links down in the description box for you. So here are my lucky earrings, the Shamrock earrings. I put it on this little hoop, like this gunmetal one, and they are super light to wear because I used this 3mm wood, and it took about 4 minutes to engrave and about a minute to cut around. They are so cute. I'm gonna have so much fun with this machine, making cute little designs on them. And of course you can paint it, but I like the wood details on it, and I like the burn on the edge. Makes it such a cool design on them. So here's my honest review on this machine. I thought it was really beginner friendly machine. Of course, I haven't tried other laser machines. This is my first one. So for a beginner, I think it is a very user friendly little machine, and its size, it's very compact. So for small projects at home, for a small business owner, I think this is a great little tool. And comparing to the other laser machines in the market, I think this is a pretty good affordable option. And of course, they are having a great sale, like I mentioned before, for St. Patrick's Day. So make sure you click the link down below to get the discount and get yourself a machine if you're interested, of course. Yeah, I think I have tried only like wood and few other materials. I'm really scared to try the metal, but they sent the cutest dog tags. I really want to engrave my pup's name on it, probably Simba's name on it. But yeah, I think this is a great machine. I'm not sure, I haven't heard other laser machines, but this one is a little bit noisy. And of course the smell sometimes when it's cutting wood. Those two are the only downsides that I see. But I guess that's with all the laser machines in the market. Of course, it's a laser, it's gonna smell. I would open a window and yeah, and it's not a big deal. It's just that it's pretty strong and I'm very sensitive to smells and sounds. So, but overall, I think it is a great little option, and the software is pretty user-friendly too. You just have to figure out the SVG stuffs and all your projects when you do those. But we have so many options nowadays online. You can download a lot of those SVGs. Most of them are commercial friendly. I'm lucky I have a husband that does that, but I do want to learn from him how to do those. Yeah, so I think it's a great investment. If you have any other questions, if you want me to try materials, I'm willing to try materials. I know they had a list of materials that we can use on this machine. I really enjoy this machine. I really love him, her, whatever gender they are. I love them. I cannot believe I did that to a machine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved making this video, even though at first it's a little awkward talking to a camera phone in front of me, but I really like it. I'm looking forward to bringing you guys other tutorials. I hope you are okay with it, and please do like turn on your notifications, share. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping to bring you guys more tutorials and DIYs and stuff. I hope that's okay with you guys. And of course, I want to also say thank you. We're so close to 50k. I cannot believe it. I haven't been uploading a whole lot of videos, but this year I will upload, hopefully, fingers crossed. But do let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.